What's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu real quick. See if the market's going to continue to climb, because if so, that is going to be our price prediction going forward into 2024. So let's go ahead and break down this chart real quick. You guys can see we had a price prediction in Shiba Inu right there on December the 5th, looking for the price to go higher. The market hit ultimate TP price the next day, 11.81%. If you guys are able to ride it all the way up there towards 1,200 points, which occurred on the 17th of December, that would have garnered you around, check that out, 32% win. Let's go to get rid of that price prediction here. You guys can see that the market in Shiba Inu all the way down here is actually holding buyers. This is where the buyers into the market in Shiba Inu is coming through and supporting the price. So that is what we're going to do here. We're going to identify the buyers, and right over here is where the sellers are. Okay, so we got the top and the bottom shown as to where sellers and buyers are. Top is where sellers are, bottom is where the buyers are. Currently the market is weak, considering that the market on this move higher here did not reach to that sell zone around 1,200 points. So we're going to go ahead and see if the market in Shiba Inu is going to continue to climb. In order for us to do that, we need to go ahead and take a look at Shiba Inu on a longer term chart. So let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. How do you feel here? Are you weak? Are you bearish? Are you looking for a price to go higher here from a 2-day time frame? What about on a 3? Are you bearish here? To me, the 2-day time frame looks bearish. The 3-day time frame looks bearish. Even here on the 5-day time frame definitely looks bearish. And I'm zooming out the chart because this area back here in August was also seen as a point of resistance. You guys can even see it taken all the way back here to April of this year. Look at this. Shiba Inu also reached a climactic point around 1,200 points back in April. So for us to see the market in Shiba Inu get rejected, get an indicator of weakness up here around 1,200 points, we should not be surprised. Here it is on the weekly time frame. Take a look at Shiba Inu on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, 5. I'm just going through this real quick so you guys can actually get a very quick aerial view as to whether or not the market is bullish or bearish. Currently, from my perspective, I will have to say that the market in Shiba Inu currently looks a little bit bearish. Not only did we see the sell zone up here at the top of Shiba Inu, here's another sell zone. So it looks to me that the sellers currently control the price. Every time the price in Shiba Inu hits this sell zone, it gets rejected, price goes down. It even did here on this 330-minute bar. It entered, got rejected, price is currently going down, and we have 2 indicators of weakness being triggered on one price bar. That again shows us that the market currently is weak. Now, that is the bias right now, is that the majority of the market participants in Shiba Inu currently is pushing down the price. They're selling more often than they are buying, but there's a couple of areas that I want to show you that we are also noticing buyers. Okay, so here's a buy zone right down here on the minute chart, 11-minute chart. It's where we can see buyers enter the market in Shiba Inu. So I'm just going to show you points that the market can actually stop going down. That's one. And here's the next one. Okay, so as we anticipate the market in Shiba Inu being weak, these areas we can actually see the market hold price. Okay, so let me bring that back to the daily. These areas need to be maintained. So we have like 2 areas. Well, 3. I'm done. Let's go ahead and put on these price predictions and we'll conclude the video. So we're going to look for the market in Shiba Inu to go lower. Here's one sell zone, but I'm bringing it up there towards 1150 for resistance. Here's our first target right here. It could be within this first buy zone. Okay, I don't want you all to be real particular about where it's going to come down to the millipenny or something of that sort. Just in that zone, we can see the market stop going down from there. That's our first target, 4.93% there. Second target will be around 960 points, 8.92% there. Then our third target is going to be all the way down there at the low of 913 points, 13.38, or anywhere within this zone. Okay, so we're actually finished. We're going to anticipate that the market price action in Shiba is going to continue to go lower, hitting one of these 3 buy zones. This one, or this one. Okay, so let's see how low the market goes before those buyers actually become convinced that the price is at value and they begin buying. Bring this over a little bit further, and that is it. I am done. Go ahead and hit me up. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.